Hey, Mike with Scree Gear here. Today we're going to show you guys how to properly remove the Nebo Rain Pant and to also put it back on. First step, unzip the pants completely. Next, attach the metal boot lace clip to your first lace. Attach the zipper. Give it a quick jerk to start it. Do the same for the other side. Next, attach the adjustable waist hook clip on each side. Zip up the sides to the top. Finish adjusting the waist hook clips and the cord locks at the ankle. Now to take it off, we're going to reverse the process. First, undo the metal adjustable waist clips on each side, and then unzip both zippers on each side to the bottom and detach the zippers. Unhook the metal boot lace clip. Make sure before storing this product that it is completely dry before putting it in its stuff sack.